Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is Ipython, and I want to show you I've got a list put together, and I want to show you how cool Ipython can be when getting information about methods. First, a list is the name of the list. Now I'm going to put a dot or a period at the end and hit the tab. This is going to show me all of the options, or all the methods that are available to me with my list. Now, I may not be totally familiar with what pop does, so let's do help a list dot pop, and I'm using the tab key to finish all of that, and I hit the enter key, or rather the end parentheses, and I should get the information about pop. Pop index item, remove and return item at index default last. Raises index area of list is empty or index is out of range. Okay, remove and return item at index. Alright, so let's give that a shot. I have no idea what that is. So, let's try a list dot pop. And I'll pass the argument 3.4 and see what happens. Argument expected got float. Alright, let's try putting it under around. Okay, string cannot be interpreted as an integer. Right, okay, that makes sense. Again, let's take a look at a list. And a list dot pop. Maybe it wants the location, so we'll go with 0 and see if that works. Okay, cannot be interpreted as an integer. Alright, so I don't know what pop does, clearly, but I do know what some of the other ones do, at least I think I do. For example, count, and see what happens. Okay, it takes exactly one argument, 0 given. Alright, let's see what help a list. I'm using the tab key, a list count, and see what it has to say. Return value of occurrences of return number of occurrences of value. Okay, so I need to actually put in the value. Let's try that. So I'm arrowing up, and the value in this case, let's get a value we know is going to be there, 23. So a list, again I'm using the arrow key up and down, and here's the value, 23. Let's see if it works. And we get 1. Alright, so is it case sensitive? Probably. But let's see if I can find how many times E appears. E appears 0 times, but if we look, we can see it appears 1, 2 times. So the search, at least in terms of the count, it's not a find. So let's do a search. Let's see what else we've got. We've got sort, so let's try that. Sort. Unordered types. I've got string, I've got integers and strings. Of course, it's not going to sort. But if I create a new list equals 3, 5, 2, and that should do it. And now new list dot sort. Didn't return it for me. Let's see what it looks like. And now it's been sorted. Alright, so just demonstration of list and its actual ability to be mutable. Alright, so we've learned a little bit. I hope it's been useful for you. It's been very useful for me. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.